Let's learn phrasal verb and slang. Imbue with phrasal verb. Listen.
Stories that we imbue with meaning.
Can imbue even words that seem like filler.
Our rasas, we can imbue with them the hope that
he destroys the female body that he is trying to imbue with life.
Guide future artists or creators to continue imbuing things with emotion.
Because as soon as we see a face as alive, we imbue it with all kinds.
You could imbue your child with 30 more healthy years of living.
Oh, well, education is to imbue people with the ability to do critical thinking.
Really is. We imbue currencies with a lot of power.
We have to imbue these young men with more self-respect so that
consciousness in order to make sense and imbue the universe with some kind of meaning so that we don't go mad.
Phrasal verb, imbue with. Impregnar algo com uma qualidade, sentimento ou característica, inspirar ou influenciar profundamente alguém com uma ideia ou valor, encher algo de significado. The teacher imbued students with confidence before important examinations. Her speech imbued everyone with hope during difficult times. The novel imbued readers with curiosity about ancient civilizations. Good mentors imbue young professionals with strong ethical values. The coach imbued players with determination before the championship. Parents imbued their children with respect for all people. The movement imbued citizens with responsibility toward environmental protection. Teachers imbued learners with appreciation for lifelong education habits. His writings imbued generations with passion for scientific discovery. Community leaders imbued volunteers with commitment toward social improvement. The ceremony imbued the occasion with profound cultural significance. Traditional music imbued the celebration with authentic regional spirit. The artwork imbued the gallery with elegance and creativity. Ancient traditions imbued the festival with historical importance today. Beautiful architecture imbued the city with timeless distinctive charm. Let's learn slang. For the win, I choose this option without any hesitation. Win-win. Both sides will benefit from this agreement. Big time. He succeeded far beyond our initial expectations. Small time. They only operate in a very local market. Prime time. The main show will air at 9. Clutch move. She scored the winning point at the end. Slick move. He avoided the obstacle very smoothly. Smooth move. You convinced them without causing any conflict. Nice save. You prevented that mistake from becoming a disaster. Lucky shot. He scored without even looking at the goal. Long shot, but we will try our best anyway. Hail Mary, we need a desperate final play to win. Home run. That idea was incredibly successful and popular. Knock it out of the park. You exceeded every goal perfectly. Dropped the ball. He failed to complete his assigned task. Ball dropped. We missed a crucial deadline yesterday. Fumbled. He mishandled the proposal during the meeting. Strikeout. He failed completely in his third attempt. Benched. The coach decided not to play him today. Starter. She will begin the game in the first position. Carried. The star player transported the entire team easily. Carrying, he is taking full responsibility for this project now. Hard carry, she alone won the match for her team. Pulled weight, everyone contributed equally to the final result. Dead weight, he contributes nothing and slows us down. Slacking, you need to increase your work effort substantially. Lazybones, please wake up and start your chores now. Go-getter, she always pursues her goals very aggressively. Self-made, he built his entire empire from nothing. Going places, that young entrepreneur has a bright future ahead. On top of it, he controls every detail of the operation perfectly. On lock, we have secured the entire supply chain already. In clutch, she performs brilliantly during critical moments. In the bag, our victory is completely certain now. Piece locked in, we have finalized the contract details. Rock solid, his argument is unshakable and very strong. Dialed in, she is fully focused on her work today. Tuned in, he understands all the latest trends perfectly. Switched on, she is alert and ready for any task. Sharp as ever, he solved that problem very quickly indeed. On your game, you need to perform at your best level. Turning heads, her new fashion style is attracting many looks. Catching eyes, his artwork stands out in every exhibition.